How to randomly select an item from a list in Python. Import random module, use the choice function, pick a random element from a sequence, where a sequence is a collection of objects where each object has an index. Import random, list of numbers, an element from that list is random.choice. It could be either 1, 2, or 3.
The sample function from the random module does random selection without replacement. To use it, we must import it. From random, import sample. You must give sample a list or tuple and the number of selections to make. So let's pass in the list. 1, 2, and 3, and make 4 choices. If we print this out and run the code, you will see we get an error. Since sample does selection without replacement, you cannot make more choices than the length of the sequence you passed in. Let's change the number of choices to 3. If we run this code now, you will see probability in action, where each element was picked once, in some order. Finally, sample does provide a way to make some elements more likely to be picked than others. It's called the counts optional parameter. Counts takes a list or a tuple that is the same length as your first argument to sample. What it does is tells the number of duplicates of each element in the sequence to pass to sample. For example, if we made the counts list 25, 25, and 50, that would pass to sample a list with 25 ones, 25 twos, and 50 threes. I'm not your dad, but I would tell you to make it so the counts list adds up to 100, so you can easily reason about the probability of each element getting picked. If we change the number of choices to 10, then run this code, you will see probability in action, with hopefully more threes being picked compared to twos and ones. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.